Cleaner Pro is simple to use, but very powerful. Here we will review how to use List Cleaner Pro in 3 easy steps. As you complete each step, the next one will become available. First, a list of email addresses needs to be loaded. You can either load a text file with each email address on a separate line or import a comma-delimited file, often referred to as a CSV file. The preferred method is using a text file. Once the list is loaded, the invalid entries such as non-email addresses and duplicates are removed. The center of the window displays statistics on actions as they are completed. The bottom of the screen has a more detailed activity log that tracks nearly all actions taken. You can save this log file afterwards for review. After the list has loaded, you now can select your cleaning options. Before starting the cleaning of the list, you need to select the cleaning options by clicking on the checkmarks of what cleaning actions you want performed. Mouse over each option for a description of its function. Note, doing the internet check will make sure each email has a valid server entry. The internet check process takes a while. Click Clean when you are ready to start the cleaning with the selected options. The amount of time the clean process will depend on the size and clean options selected. The right top list displays the emails that passed cleaning. You may save these emails as a text or CSV file. The bottom activity window can be saved if you want to review the actions taken. When the cleaning completes, a graph window appears showing the list statistics. The graph gives a quick visual of how healthy the list was. It's important to keep your lists clean. Not only will it save time, but money by removing email addresses that cost you. Plus, your autoresponder will not penalize you for sending bad emails.